Welcome to class. Go ahead and find that comfortable seated position. Inhale and lift your shoulders, and exhale, relax. This class we're going to be focusing on breathing and tying our breathing with our movements. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, gently bring your hands up to the sternum. Let's start our intentions: self-discipline, self-inquiry, and surrender. Open your heart, gather positivity, bring yourself fully into the present moment, and let's begin. We're going to start off by centering ourselves, so breathe into the belly and exhale. Gently close your eyes here. Give yourself an opportunity to tune into yourself. Relax your shoulders. Breathe into the low belly and try to breathe in through the nose. Long, slow exhale as you relax the shoulders. Breathe in. Tune into your own natural breathing rhythms. And relax. A couple more breaths here. Reflect inward. Exhale. Find the stillness in your breath. Relax the shoulders on the exhale. One more breath into the low belly. And long, slow exhale. Gently open your eyes. We'll get started with Robin's breath now. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me better. And from this position, just keep your hands up to heart center. Lift and lengthen the sternum. Exhale. Relax. Find that tall spine. And breathe into the belly. And as you exhale, curve the spine and reach. Hands away from you. Keep the fingertips as close as you can together. Inhale, open your arms big and wide. Shine your heart center forward. And exhale. Curve the spine as you bring your fingertips together. Reaching out in front of you. Inhale, bring your hands together. Exhale, reach. Relax the neck, tuck the chin a little bit. Inhale, big open arms, gather some positivity. And exhale, let's grab it as we reach. Bring the hands as close together as you can. Inhale, bring your hands to heart center, lift the sternum, a little bit of a back bend here. Exhale. Press your hands away from you. Inhale, big open arms, gathering that positive energy. Exhale, curving the spine, grabbing it with the hands. Inhale, pulling it into the heart center. You're doing a good job. Breathing in. Exhale as you connect the body and the breath together with your movements. Reach. Inhale, open arms. And exhale, curve the spine. Relax the shoulders as you reach. Breathe in and lift and lengthen. Do this at your own pace if you'd like. Exhale, reach. Curve the spine. Inhale. Shine your heart center forward. Bring the shoulder blades together in the back. Exhale, curve the spine. Fingertips together as far as you can. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Little back bend here. Exhale as you reach, pull forward. Fingertips together. Inhale, open. Breathe into that low belly and through the nose. Exhale. A few more here. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Breathe in and exhale. Reach. Inhale, lift the heart center. Open your arms wide. We're going to gather some positive energy. Exhale. Grab it with the hands. And inhale, bring it into our heart center. And one last round. Exhale, press the hands away from you. Inhale, this time we're going to grab some gratitude and positivity. Exhale, curve the spine. Reach and gather that with your hands. And inhale, bring it into your heart. Lift and lengthen, big tall spine here. And exhale. Relax the shoulders. Inhale and breathe in. We'll end this class with centering ourselves, so gently close your eyes and relax your shoulders. Such a good job breathing. Let's relax and go back to your normal, relaxed breathing rhythm. Center yourself. Relax your shoulders on the exhale. Breathe in. Exhale, relax. 3 more breaths. Practice breathing in through the nose. And practice breathing into the low belly. You're tuning into yourself. And long, slow exhale. Relax your shoulders and gently open your eyes. Bring your hands out to the side, and we're going to gather more of that gratitude and that positive energy. Just imagine the light. Bring it into your hands and down into your heart center. The light in me loves and respects the light in you. Namaste.